I'm Alina, a travel blogger, exploring the globe's most stunning cities, countries, and beaches to share their beauty with you. Each destination is a story waiting to be told. My journey is about diving into local cultures, uncovering hidden gems, and capturing moments that inspire. Wanderlust. It's not just about places, but the memories and connections made along the way. As a travel blogger, my mission extends. Beyond storytelling, it's about creating a space where you can find inspiration and courage to explore, to step into the unknown, and embrace the world's magnificence with open arms through every post, photo, and video. I invite you to take a journey with me to see the splendor of our planet from my perspective. Let's explore, discover, and enjoy together the limitless wonders that lie ahead. Join me as we travel hand in hand through the pages of this vast and exciting world. Subscribe to my travel blog. I look forward to seeing you in my next videos. Bye-bye.